Hello to all my media friends. It's also my pleasure to welcome our customers tuning in from across the world. The last time I was before you, it was for the launch of India's first subcompact SUV, the Tata Punch. Since its launch, the Tata Punch won a lot of love from our customers and has catapulted us to become the #1 SUV brand. It's a matter of great pride to be the leader of this fast-growing and aspirational category, especially since the SUV lifestyle in India was pioneered by Tata Motors with iconic products like the Sierra and Safari. Becoming the leader in the SUV space is an outcome of approaching each sub-segment uniquely and adding differentiated value to each of our product offerings. Our SUVs offer strong value propositions to customers across the segments. At their core, they are built with a combination of inside-out safety, sporty design, and delightful driving experience. All these factors continue to delight customers and have given us podium finishes in each of the segments we operate in. Tata Punch, the category creator, a unique offering with a subcompact footprint delivering unmatched SUV capabilities and passenger comfort. Tata Nexon, the first product to break the design and safety conventions in the compact SUV segment. In a short period, Nexon has established itself as India's #1 selling SUV. Tata Harrier and Safari. These amazing SUVs were built on advanced architecture and pedigree of Jaguar Land Rover. They continue to power their way into our customers' hearts and also to the top of the high SUV segment. Today, we see the opportunity for another SUV in our family. An SUV with futuristic design and exhilarating performance. An SUV big enough to carry families for long journeys, yet compact enough to maneuver in congested city roads. An SUV that is designed to stand out like nothing else on Indian roads. Yet, at the same time, it is extremely practical and user-friendly. An SUV that will be launched as EV first and with ICE engines subsequently. It's a pleasure to introduce Concept Curve, different by design.
What we wanted to do was create a product that is really unique, dynamic, sporty, and of course, elegant. This is an SUV with a sporty stance. So we created a new typology vehicle. We've kept the overall standard wide wheel arches, the large cladding, and the command driving position. And we combine it with a sleek and efficient and very emotional silhouette, augmented by this very sleek arch, which creates an SUV sporty character. Of course, we've married that with an overall design language, which we call digital. So we have very clean surfaces, and all crisp lines. Everything is about being efficient. And all of the surfaces with a hard line architecture create something that is very comprehensively exciting and dynamic, but at the same time functional. A squared up back end, aerodynamic wheel design, and again, something that creates overall a communication that this is a crisp, dynamic, and sporty product. We haven't sacrificed any of the function in terms of rear roominess, ingress, egress, or boot space with this design. In fact, we've actually offered class-leading dimensions and features. When we were designing this vehicle, we also wanted to make sure that it didn't come across as claustrophobic. So the entire cabin is augmented by the panorama sunroof, which creates a real feeling of light. And of course, just like with the exterior, a real attention to detail was focused. You can see the detailing, the fluting, the switches, the vents, and the sharpness of the design are all consistent with the exterior. So just like with the exterior, what we wanted to do was communicate the same design values on the interior. The horizontal light guide, which mirrors the front and the rear of the vehicle, the emphasis of detailing and efficiency, which you see in all the detailing throughout the interior. We talked about creating a technology-focused product. That's emphasized by the two screens on the top of the instrument panel, which communicate the infotainment and, of course, the information that the driver needs. That's also augmented by the heater controls, which are now a touchscreen interface. The steering wheel is our next generation steering wheel DNA. What we've done is we've created a digital platform where the logo is now illuminated in the center, and that's augmented by two switches on either end where the driver can communicate and interface with the product as well as possible. There's another aspect, which is the color and materials and the finish that was chosen for this vehicle. You can see it communicates a real sporty feel, this ombre effect fabric, which we have on the instrument panel and on the seats. Overall, create a real lifestyle product, again, emphasizing the sporty character of the users and the customers. And that is the Curve.